Getting your facts straight can save your life or someone else's. So let's get straight to the top 3 lightning myths.
Myth number 1. Lightning never strikes the same place twice.
No, it strikes many times. We put lightning protection devices on tall buildings, and they can get struck on a weekly basis.
Here's all the proof you need. Video taken in early June of One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower in New York City, getting struck by lightning multiple times. Myth number 2. If it's not raining, you're safe from lightning. Lightning often strikes more than 3 miles from the center of the thunderstorm, far outside the rain band or thunderstorm cloud. Bolts from the blue can strike 10 to 15 miles from the thunderstorm.
It's kind of luck of the draw.
Myth number 3. A lightning victim is electrified. If you touch them, you'll be electrocuted too.
No, there's no residual. They're perfectly safe to be approached.
CPR should be started on a victim right away, especially mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.
It will stun the heart, but this heart will oftentimes start beating again on its own. But the person won't start breathing again for quite some time after that.
There's a number of other myths out there. We've posted the complete list on WPBF.com, so be sure and check those out. In studio, Stephanie Brzezinski, WPBF 25 News.